So now I'll be adding some, I guess, a ways to prevent the program from breaking. Because if we play it right now and we, I don't know, type in some erroneous numbers, we'll get an error. So what I wanted to do is, like I said, fix it. Now if we go back into, so there's two ways we can fix this. Since this is a switch case, we don't actually have to have an int type. We can just change it to a string. So yeah, that's going to be the first method that I'll show you how to do. And then all we have to do is just delete that, and change all of these to actually have these brackets in. Because at the end of the day, it's still a string, it just takes a number. So actually one thing that I'll add is a console.writeLine or console.readLine. So we actually see the error messages like in the other function below. Yep, so just gonna add it here, and then of course change it here. So yeah, if we now press F5 and we try to put in a random number, of course it will say do not slam the machine, and the numbers will add correctly. There we go. So that's that done. Now this again can be done in the same way, but there's actually another way that you can do it, and that would be to just do the following. So if we do the try, like I did in the one of the videos. So if we put it here and we put a catch, yeah, there you go. So it will try the code. If it's wrong, it will catch it. So then we can just do console.writeLine the error. Yeah. So if we try this out now, so okay, we already checked this one out. So let's move on to 6. Wait, did I just do something wrong? Processing money ready for item selection. Oh, that's right, because processing money now has a read line. So now if we put something like this, we get the error message. Now, as you saw, it quickly appeared and then disappeared. That's because we have the clear. But there you go. So that's the second way which we can do it. We can just put it around the try and catch, or just make it in the way that you can't make an error out of it in the first place. So yeah, that'd be it for. I think that's everything that would require any fixing for this program. I don't think there is another way to break it. So this has no input, no input. Yeah, so the only two inputs are these two functions right here. And they're both protected now. So yeah, that's a little quick video on how to, make it unbreakable.